everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're trying to stay warm during this fall and winter, I highly recommend this very trendy, nice looking scarf. I've been loving this scarf for many reasons. I love the material. This is a mix of acrylic and cashmere, so it makes it super soft and super warm. I also appreciate the design. This is perfect if you just want to put it over a sweater. You can put it in a variety of different ways since it's super versatile, and you can even use it as a little blanket. This material is super soft and gentle that you are going to want to wear it every time. I love this scarf. They have a variety of beautiful designs. They are all high quality. They are all very vibrant and colorful. I know you're gonna love it. So if you're looking to throw some color to any of your outfits, definitely check these out by American Trends, and that is my point of view.